The Giraffe and the Elephant Story. In a faraway forest, a giraffe and an elephant were good friends. The giraffe could reach the highest branches and eat the freshest leaves. The elephant, with a strong trunk, could pull down the heavy branches to get food. One day, a big storm hit the forest, knocking down trees and blocking the animals' path to the water. The giraffe couldn't help, as she wasn't strong enough to move the trees, but the elephant used his trunk to clear the path. Later, they reached a tall tree. The elephant couldn't reach the leaves, but the giraffe bent her long neck to share some with him. Both animals realized that they need each other. The giraffe had height and the elephant had strength. Moral of the story: everyone has unique strengths and working together makes us stronger. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and get notified.